Welcome back to my channel. I am going to make a French onion soup, but I'm going to make it a little bit different because instead of like a bay leaf and thyme, I'm going to use pho spices, and that is basically star anise, some cloves, and some cinnamon. So I'm going to prep all of the ingredients and then cook everything and show you what it looks like when it's done. This is the first time I'm making it. I just thought I would prefer to have it this way, and I don't think I have time anyways, so we'll see how it turns out. And I've been craving pho really badly, so I'm just gonna start by slicing out onions. To the butter, I'm just going to add all of my onions and kind of caramelize them a little bit. To caramelize the onions, you have to basically cook it for about 30 minutes until everything gets like a golden brown. And you do want to stay close to the pot so that you can continually stir, because you don't want it to burn, but you want it to be like a nice caramelized brown. The color is developing really nice. We have about 10 more minutes here. Okay, I think we've reached the level of caramelization that I like, and it did take about 30 minutes. To this mix, you want to add your garlic and ginger. And just kind of saute that out. Next, I'm going to add in our bouillon. And I'm just doing about a teaspoon of each because I'm going to do about 3 to 4 cups of water. So we'll just add that in. And then I'm also going to add in my spices. So I'm going to turn this up so that it starts kind of like a little boil, and then I'm going to turn it down to a simmer. The spices cooked in the soup for a little while. I did a taste test and it is insane. It is absolutely delicious, and I kind of shortcut some things, so I'm surprised that it tastes good, but I mean, it's pho flavors, so why wouldn't it be good? But okay, what I think I'm going to do is a little cornstarch action. So I made a little slurry with about a teaspoon amount of cornstarch and then equal amount of water. I'm just going to add that in, and this will for sure, you know, kind of thicken it up to where I need it. All right, I just served up some of the hot pho onion broth part, and because it's pho flavored, I'm gonna top it with some beef, and then I'm gonna take a baguette. I'm just gonna put that on the side. It's really hot. And that's it. That is my French onion Actually, it's not French, it's Vietnamese onion soup that is pho flavored, and I guarantee it's gonna be super delicious, so I hope you give it a try. I made this video last winter and I forgot to post it, but now that I'm posting regularly, I'm actually kind of glad I stumbled across it. But I hope you give this a try. This is typically what I do in my household because I am multiracial. I have grown up kind of fusing together the flavors of my Puerto Rican background and Asian background. So if you like recipes like this, please give my video a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and comment below, and I will catch you in the next video. Thanks. Have a great day.